How to verify Google Business Profile. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for My Business, and your business is gonna open up right over here. As you can see, my business is not verified right now, so in order to verify it, simply tap on Get Verified, and just like so, with a few steps of customizing your profile, you can go ahead and simply verify it. And as you can see, my business now is verified. But if in case you're having trouble with the verification, you want to go ahead and open a new tab, and inside the search bar, go ahead and search for Google Business Help Center. Just like so, tap on the first one, and inside here choose Verify Your Business on Google. Just like so, scroll below, then you'll be able to find Contact Us option, tap onto it, and from here you want to go ahead and select your business, and just like so explain your issue. And with that, after you are done, tap on Next, and just like that you want to go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction. And just like that, you will then be able to verify your Google Business Profile. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.